In this video, I'll guide you through how to link Google Drive to Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have your Google Drive connected, so you can easily attach and manage files right from your CRM without constantly switching tabs or downloading and re-uploading documents. First, make sure you're already logged into your Zoho CRM account in a web browser. Once you're in, look up at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the setup or settings area for Zoho CRM. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where you'll find all of the configuration options, including the marketplace, where integrations like Google Drive live. After you click the gear icon, you'll be taken to the setup page. On this page, look for the section labeled Marketplace. Depending on your layout, it might be in a menu on the left or as a tile or tab near the center. Click on Marketplace to open it. The Marketplace is essentially Zoho's app store, where you can browse and install extensions and integrations to expand what your CRM can do. Inside the Marketplace, you'll see different categories and featured apps. To make things simple, find and click the option labeled All. This view will show every available app and integration instead of just a filtered list. Clicking All is helpful because it ensures that if the Google Drive integration isn't featured on the main page, you'll still be able to search for it directly. Once you're on the All page in the Marketplace, look for a search bar, usually near the top of the screen. Click into that search field and type Google Drive. As you type, the Marketplace will search for any extensions related to Google Drive. Give it a moment, and you should see the Google Drive integration appear in the results. When you see the Google Drive option in the list, click on it. This will open a detailed page for the integration. Here you can usually see a description of what the integration does, some screenshots, and any additional information like permissions or supported features. It's a good idea to skim this page briefly so you understand how the integration behaves and what access it will need to your Google account. On this same page, you'll find an Install button. Go ahead and click Install. Zoho CRM may ask you to confirm that you want to install the Google Drive extension, and it may also prompt you to choose which users in your organization should have access to it. Follow the on-screen prompts, confirming the installation and selecting the appropriate users if that option appears. After you start the installation, Zoho may redirect you to sign into your Google account and grant permissions. Simply sign in with the Google account that holds the Drive files you want to use, then allow the requested access so the integration can function properly. Once everything is installed and authorized, your Google Drive will be linked to Zoho CRM. You'll now be able to attach Drive files to records, access shared documents, and keep your files organized directly inside your CRM. That's all it takes to connect Google Drive to Zoho CRM.